In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on macOS in terminal. First, let's go ahead and call brew update. Then type brew install httpd. Press enter. Next, type sudo brew services start httpd. And guys, all these commands are in the description of this video. Enter your password, then type brew install MySQL. Once it's installed, type MySQL _ secure _ installation. Now, in this part, you have to press yes or no a couple times to finish that part. Once you see all done, we are ready to go to the next step, to install WordPress on Mac OS. Type MySQL-u root-p. Enter the password from the previous step, and in this MySQL prompt, start typing create database WordPress. Do not forget the semicolon, that's very important, or it's not going to work. Now copy and paste this command from the description of this video, which will set up our WordPress username in MySQL. Copy and paste the next command to allow privileges for this user we just created. Don't forget to also call flush privileges. Now we can call exit semicolon to exit the MySQL prompt, and we're going to install PHP. Brew install PHP. Once installed, we're going to start PHP with brew services start PHP. This will start our PHP server for our local WordPress installation. Now copy and paste this from the description to create our system www folder. Then paste this command to set permissions. Now let's change directory to that folder we just created. You can run ls command, but it's an empty folder. Now copy all 3 lines at the same time into the prompt, and this will start installing WordPress locally. Once WordPress is installed, type this command to change the permissions for that folder, and also copy and paste this command from the description of this video. Okay, our permissions are set. We are ready to add the WordPress configuration file. Open the file and paste the default WordPress configuration that you can find on Google. And make sure that this folder here and this one over here match the WordPress folder we created in the previous step. Okay, just save the file and exit the editor. Now create and open httpd.configuration file and paste your default httpd configuration, which again, you can find it on Google. Now save the file and exit the editor. Now type sudo apachectl restart. And that's it, guys. That's how you run WordPress locally on Localhost on Mac OS. If this video helped you, hit the like button. And if you still experience errors or other problems, post a comment so that somebody else can respond with a possible solution.